Hello, everyone. Welcome back to PE. I hope you enjoyed your week. Here is our lesson on hockey. We have been using these hockey sticks. See that? So we've been using these. It's been a lot of fun. These are pretty soft and different. So I know you do not have anything like this at home, but you will be using a broom. And the broom handle is pretty simple. You're going to have, when you hold it, your weak hand, your non-throwing hand goes on top, thumb down, and then the other one's like a handshake on the handle. So you're going to be holding your broom like this, and the gentleman in the video will give you instructions on how to use it. So you're missing out on some fun PE, but I hope you can enjoy some of this as you are working at home. All right, this will be you see this slide is what you're watching right now. And then you'll have your superhero warm-up again. That's a great warm-up to do. The next one is animal fitness, a little bit different. You choose your animal and then do the activity. So get some exercise. Remember, talk about your breathing, your heart rate, your temperature, and your muscles getting tired. We talked about that at the beginning of the year a lot. After your animal fitness, you'll have what's called move-up hockey. So you'll be doing a video using a broom, not a hockey stick like this, unless you have one, which you probably don't, but we'll be using a broom for the hockey. So this is a lot of fun. We've really enjoyed our hockey unit here. It's very exhausting, but it's fun. So maybe you can find some fun, and it's good to have a striking unit. This is what this is a striking unit. Strike one object with another. So that's what we're trying to accomplish here. That's some of our lessons that we learned so we can meet our criteria for our standard. So enjoy your time and make sure you contact your teacher with everything you're doing, and have a good day.